Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to reset your Facebook video recommendations. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are on the home screen, look at the top right corner of the app and tap on the profile icon. Now scroll down until you see the section called Settings and Privacy. Tap on it to expand more options. From here, tap on Settings. Next, scroll down again until you find the section named Activity. Under this section, you will see the option called Activity Log. Tap on it. At the top of the activity log, there is a search bar. Tap on the search bar and type the word video. This will show all the video-related activities that Facebook has recorded for your account. From the list, tap on the option called Videos You've Watched. Here you will see all the videos you have watched on Facebook. To reset your video recommendations, you need to clear this history. Tap on the option to clear your video watch history. Once you clear your watched videos, Facebook will no longer use that data to recommend new videos. To make the reset more complete, go back to the activity log and again use the search bar to search for videos you've searched for. Open that section and clear it as well. This will remove all your previous video searches from Facebook. After clearing both your watched and searched videos, your Facebook video recommendations will reset. You will start getting fresh suggestions based on your new activity. Thanks for watching.